Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We're at home. It's Sunday. I had kind of a day where I did a lot of stuff, and one of those things was not makeup, so you're not getting the most glamorous Becky today. So, but all of a sudden became dinner time, and we got to make dinner, and tonight we're making my most requested recipe, $1 Million spaghetti. Warning, this makes a lot. So luckily, Emerson's coming for dinner.
Yay!
And she's going to take home leftovers. So let's see what we need. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need a pound of ground beef, chuck, sirloin beef, whatever you like, 1 brick of cream cheese softened, some sour cream, some cottage cheese, some cheddar cheese, a stick of butter sliced, spaghetti, and jarred sauce, which is the only jarred sauce I like. So you're also going to need a baking dish, a frying pan, our trusty copper pot, and a bowl of water, or a pot of water to boil your spaghetti in. So we're going to start this off. And we're going to set our timer to 350. Or we're going to preheat our oven to 350.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to heat our skillet. And we're going to get our beef cooking. So we'll be cooking our beef in here. Okay, so we are not sponsored by this company yet. But if you want the very best tasting spaghetti sauce, this is the way to go. I'm telling you. And we went to Costco and they had these bigger jars for like $10, which is really good because it's not the cheapest sauce on the market, but it is, in my opinion, the best.
I agree.
Okay, so I browned up the meat and I drained off the grease. So we have this, and we are going to add, turned off the heat, we're going to add our spaghetti sauce. Now, the recipe calls for 16 ounces of spaghetti sauce, but that never seems to be enough sauce for us. So this one's 28 ounces. You can use 28 ounces. You can use 16 ounces. Like most of my recipes, do what you want. You don't like sauce? Don't use sauce. I don't, however you feel. So there is our spaghetti sauce. It is a super simple sauce. Okay, while we are waiting for our pasta to cook.
We're waiting for the water to boil.
Water to boil and then pasta to cook. We are going to make our cheese mixture. So we have 1 brick of softened cream cheese. We're going to take a cup of cottage cheese. That's a half a cup. So 1 more. And then we hand over the rest of the cottage cheese to Diddy. And she eats it.
She loves cottage cheese.
She does, especially if it's Dean's. My stepmother turned her on to Dean's cottage cheese when she was little, before my stepmother passed away. She loved her Dean's cottage cheese, which is pretty much the only thing she ate at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to do a quarter cup of sour cream. All right. All right. We're going to mix this until well combined. Which is why you need your cream cheese softened, because Trying to stir up hard cream cheese is a pain in the butt. Trust me, I know. Goes kind of like a ricotta. We're going to add some salt. And we're going to add some pepper. A little seasoning wouldn't hurt this. Alright, we're going to put that aside and put our, and come back when the noodles are cooked. Our noodles are cooked, our sauce is cooked, our cheese sauce is ready. Now it's time to assemble. So,
Avengers assemble.
Assemble. Let me put my book away. I was waiting for pasta to cook. Alright, so we're going to take our pan. We're going to take half of our butter slices and put them on the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh.
So 4.
Yeah, okay. I got 1 extra. That's okay. Alright. Put 4 slices of butter, half of our mixture on here. We're going to take our pasta. Ooh, Maddie smells good today. What you wearing, Maddie?
I am wearing, it's called
Tobacco Vanille.
Tobacco.
Vanille.
Yeah.
Tom Ford, but not really because it's a dupe. Okay. Okay, roughly about, I guess,
About half your spaghetti.
half my spaghetti. This is not half. This is, oh, it gets all tangled. So. Come back. Some tried to escape. And more escaping. Alright, then we're going to top it with our creamy mixture. That would be this.
All of it?
All of it. So I'm just going to kind of plop it down, like so, in different spots. It'll hopefully spread a little bit. Kind of spread it around a little bit. Plop. Plop. More plop here. So, kind of get it over as evenly as you can without, messing up your whole thing. Alright. Look at how not very appetizing that looks.
But trust us, it comes out.
Trust the process.
So good.
Trust the process. So now we're going to add the rest of our noodles on top of this. And my noodles are sticking together, but that's okay. Woo! La la la. Now we got spreads out our noodles. Hey, anyone watch WandaVision? What'd you think? I loved it.
We loved it.
Loved it, loved it, loved it.
It was a great series.
Yeah. All right. Get that out of my way. Then we're going to take the rest of our butter. And we're going to put it on. Once again, it's just looking super appetizing. It's like one of those weird Duggar dishes that they make.
Yeah.
All right, then we're going to take all of our sauce and we're going to pour it on over. Spread it out. Everybody's asking where I got the copper pot. Amazon. But it was quite a few years ago, but it was called the XL square copper pot. That's, I mean, super simple. It was an as seen on TV item that I absolutely had to have. All right, so now we're going to pop this in the oven for 30 minutes.
All right.
Come back in 30 minutes. And we're going to put our cheese on, pop it in the oven for another 15.
All right. So we'll see you in 30 minutes.
Yep. Okay, and now we're going to put on some cheddar cheese on the top. It looks a little more appetizing now.
Yes.
Finish off this bag. And we're going to put this back in the oven
For
15 more minutes.
all right.
There you have it, folks. $1 million spaghetti.
Oh, one of my all-time favorite meals that you make. So good.
So that was $1 million spaghetti. If you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Keep it safe, keep it sexy. The recipe is listed below, along with our P.O. box in case you need it for anything. And we'll see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans. Bye.